Joe Walker here, Glen Echo, and I'm putting together some. Actually, I had some frames sent in for our second hive, which I'm getting ready to install this afternoon. So what I'm doing is removing this part of the trim, and this is wax foundation, and this is used to help the bees form their combs for the queen to lay her young into. So basically what we're doing is this bottom has a slit in it, and we're putting this foundation in the bottom, and then it lays here in the top, and there are some little wires at each section here. And then what I do is I take this trim piece and just tack it, nail it back up into here. And then this is a deep frame, I believe 9.5, I believe it's 16 inches if I got my numbers right. And then the bees form on both sides, form on it and make their comb, and the queen starts laying her young in there. And then it's also used for storage when they make honey. So they bring the pollen in from the field, and then it's converted to honey. But anyway, I'm getting ready to, I'm going to go out in the field here this afternoon. It's a little rainy. They say it's okay to get this box started, so I'll start them this afternoon. The second box is going well. The bees are up in the feeder. This is the second feeder with the little floats in it, and the liquid is poured in the bottom. And then the bees sit on the floats and take a drink and then go back down. And this helps the bees because they're new to our area, and they're trying to get familiar with the area. So it actually gets them started quicker, and it provides them some energy and the sugar water they can convert to make themselves. And that's definitely by no means an educated discussion about this. I'm just learning, so some of the things I might say aren't necessarily, not that they're untrue, but I am learning in this process. So have a great day.